Hello, good afternoon mga ka-viewers. Mega shout out la US Life of Baubrin. Maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. Uh, US Life of the Baubrin, like 9. Maraming salamat sis. Thank you for coming. Mega shout out Novo Vizcayano channel. Mega shout out everyone from Novo Vizcayano channel. Thank you sis for support. At mega shout out Lumayon the Deer. Thank you for coming, for your support. Mega shout out everyone. Lumayon the Deer. Lumayon the Deer. Thank you. Mega shout out the Deer. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon din sa iyo sis. At mega shout out sis Lucy Warrentward. Thank you for coming, for your support. Good morning there or good afternoon. Ay, ito lagyan Samira. Sino to? Mega shout out Samira Chungtay. Backyard Garden like 7. Thank you very much for coming. I will give you moderator. Maybe one day you will pass to my LS. I give you already. Even you are not here, I give you as a moderator. Mega shout out Romantico Bullet. Napakagandang naman ng view dyan. Maraming salamat, Romantico. Mega shout out. Mega shout out, Romantico Bullet. Mega shout out everyone from Romantico. Maraming salamat. Mega shout out, Romantico Bullet. Hi, Magdalena Masyalani. Gandang hapon po sa inyo. Magandang hapon din sa iyo, Idol Romantico Bullet. At mega shout out Inday Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. Mega shout out Inday Lin Mix Vlog. Hello everyone from Inday Lin Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat sis Inday Vlog. Mega shout out to you Sir Pau to Fit. Maraming salamat po. Good afternoon. At mega shout out Mother Earth TV, Tamsak host. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtamsak Mother Earth TV. At good evening dyan or good afternoon, good morning all over the world. Thank you very much for your support. Kahit hindi ko naman kayo mapuntahan ngayon, sa ibang araw naman, at itatry ko na bisitahin din kayo. Pag hindi sa pag sa live, bisitahin ko na lang sa sa videos ninyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you everyone.